everyone, myself Khyati Vyas from JMP English Medium Saraswati Group of Education. Today I am conducting this session for grade 6, subject SS. We are discussing chapter number 1 in geography and this is my session number 3 for this chapter. So kids, we have already finished first 2 sessions of this chapter in which we have learned what is universe, correct? Then we learned regarding stars and constellations. Sun is also a star, group of stars which make a particular pattern is called constellation. Then we learned regarding solar system. Our solar system is called Akashganga or the Milky Way. Then we learned regarding sun, how hot the sun is, the temperature on the surface of the sun. Then we learned regarding planets, 8 different planets, and I already explained to you that planets show 2 different types of movement, that is rotation, revolution, correct? Then we also discussed difference between stars and planets, difference between stars and planets. Stars are having their own light, planets, they reflect the light of the sun. All these things, all the points we have already finished discussing. Now, let us start today's session by learning satellites. Then we will learn the Earth satellite, that is the moon. Then we will learn regarding the asteroids, meteoroids, comets, which are all there in the universe. All these things are present in our universe. So today we are going to deal with these topics. So let us start with satellites. Other than the stars and the planets, you can also see the moon in the sky. Correct? आपको रात में moon दिखता है ना sky में? Yes. So the moon is the satellite of the earth. Moon is the satellite of the earth. The moon which we see is Earth's satellite. Jupiter is also having its own moon. It is believed that the Jupiter has approximately 79 moons. Okay. So, moon that we see is the Earth's satellite. The word satellite is derived from the Latin word satellis, meaning companion or an attendant. Satellite. This word, from where did it come? It came from the word that is satyrs. What does satyr mean? Satyr means companion, our companion or an attendant who is all time with us. Since the moon is always with the earth, so it is called the satellite of the earth. Satellites are small heavenly bodies which revolve around the planet. So, as the planets are revolving around the sun, these satellites are revolving. They are revolving around the planets. As the planets revolve around the sun, their satellites also accompany them in their revolution. So, when planets are revolving around the sun, these satellites are revolving continuously around the planet. So actually they are also going around the sun. But the center is the planet. Okay. Like planets, satellites also do not have any heat or light of their own. Planets, they reflect the light of the sun. In same way, satellites also do not have their own heat or light. They shine by the reflection of the light from the sun. Just like the planets reflect the light of the sun, these satellites also reflect the light of the sun. Moon, you might say the moon has its light. No, the moon does not have its light. Moon is reflecting the light of the sun, just like the earth does. Mercury and Venus do not have any satellite. Mercury and Venus, these 2 planets, they do not have their satellite. Clear? So this was regarding satellites. Now, Earth satellite is moon. The Earth satellite is the moon. Our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. The diameter of the moon is about 1/4 of the earth's diameter. Diameter, I hope you know what the diameter is. Correct? If this is a circle, then this portion is called the diameter. And from center, half of the diameter is radius. You might have learned this in math. So, the diameter of the moon's diameter is 1/4. Means if the earth's diameter is say 16, then you have to divide 16 by 4. So what is 16 by 4? It is 4. So the moon satellite the moon's diameter will be only 4. So 4 times smaller than the earth. So moon's diameter is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Why does it then appear as big as the sun? Still, you sometimes feel that moon is as big as sun. Why is it so? It is situated at the distance of about 384,400 kilometers from the earth, and it is closer than the sun to the earth. It appears same size as the sun because it is closer than the sun to earth. अर्थ से सन जितना दूर है उतनी दूर नहीं है ये मून, उससे नजदीक है. Correct? Sometimes if the father and the son are standing in the same line, but father is standing very far and the son is standing nearer, you sometimes feel that they look of the same size or height. Are they of the same height? If the son is only 6 to 7 years old, are they of the same height? No. Similarly, sun is very far away from the earth and moon is closer to the earth. Since it is closer to the earth, you feel that it is big and it is same size of the sun. And the distance from the earth to moon is 384,400 kilometers. The moon has no light of its own. What we see as moonlight is actually the sun's light reflected by the sun. The moon shines bright in the sky at night. This brightness is gained due to the reflection of the sun's light. Moon does not have any light of its own. This light reaches us in about 1.25 seconds. The moon's light, which we receive on the earth, it takes 1.25 seconds to reach the earth. Moon appears in the sky in different shapes. You might have observed. Correct? Sometimes it is full, sometimes half, sometimes there is no moon at all. So these are in different shapes. Moon appears. So do you think there are so many moons? No, moon is only one. But it looks in different shapes. Why? Let us study that. These are called the faces of the moon. These different shapes of the moon are called different faces of the moon. What are they called? Different faces of the moon. When the moon looks like full disk, it is called full moon or Purnima. Here in India we call it Purnima. It is full moon. When full moon is visible to us, it is called full moon or the Purnima. Then, when the side of the moon facing us does not receive sunlight, when the moon which is facing towards us, it will not receive any sunlight. Why it does not receive any sunlight? Yes, there must be some obstacle, right? So it does not receive. See, for example, here if there is sun, here you have earth, and here you have moon. This is earth, this is moon. So do you think the sun's rays will fall on the moon? No, it will fall because there is earth in between sun and the moon. So sun's light will not fall on the moon and hence moon is not visible because moon does not have light of its own. Moon की खुद की कोई light नहीं होती है. It reflects light of the sun. So when earth comes in between moon and the sun, that time the moon will not show you any light. So when the side of the moon facing us does not receive sunlight, we cannot see moon. At that time we will not be able to see the moon. This is known as new moon or Amavasya. Amavasya, you might have seen on the day of Amavasya, on the night of Amavasya, there is no moon at all. This is because of the same phenomenon that the face of the moon that is facing towards earth is not receiving any light from the sun, so it is not visible. The moon makes one revolution around the earth in 27 days and 8 hours. So moon is revolving around the earth. As the earth is revolving around the sun, it takes 365 and a quarter day. Similarly, when the moon revolves around the earth is at the center and moon is revolving, it takes 27 days and 8 hours to complete one revolution around the earth. This time period is almost the same as it takes the time to complete one rotation about its axis. So this is almost the same time that it takes to complete one rotation in its axis. As a result, the same side of the moon is always facing towards us. And that is why whenever we see the moon, we see the same side of the moon always. We are not able to see the other side of the moon from the earth. Moon is also round, but since it takes the same time as rotation of the earth, the moon is also taking almost the same time. That is why we are not able to see the other face of the moon. Only one face of the moon is visible to the earth. The moon's surface is made up of rocks and there is no soil. Surface of the moon, you find only rocks, no soil at all. The mountain peaks, plains and craters. Craters are big holes. Craters are big holes. Make the surface extremely rugged. That is why here you can find mountain peak, plain and crater. Craters are, what did I say? Craters are, they are big holes. So these craters and all, due to which the surface of the moon is extremely rugged or rough. As a result, the reflection of sunlight from every part of the moon's surface is not uniform. That is why you can see when you look at the moon at night in the sky, if it is full moon, some portion of the moon is extremely white, somewhere you can see some dark patches. So moon does not appear same brightness every part of the moon. देखा है ना, मून में आपने कभी कभी देखा होगा थोड़ा ब्लैक ब्लैक ग्रे कलर का पैच होता है, बाकी का एकदम व्हाइट, फुल एक जैसा ही व्हाइट दिखता है मून कभी? नो, this is because of that, because it has mountain peaks, it has plains, it has craters, all these different parts. That is why if we look at the moon, we can see some dark spots on its surface. Now I hope you understood why there are dark patches on the moon. चांद पर दाग क्यों है? Because of all these things. There is no air and water on the moon. Simple. If there is no air and no water, human beings cannot live there. Since the moon has no atmosphere, days are very hot while nights are extremely cold. Scientists have sent many spacecraft to the moon to gather more information about it. To study more information about moon, scientists have sent many spacecraft to the moon. Can you name the latest one sent by India? इंडिया ने अभी लेटेस्ट में एक सैटेलाइट भेजा था, उसका नाम पता है किसी को? You can find it out. You can find it out. So all this was regarding our satellite, that is moon. Now next is asteroids. It has been discovered that there are several small celestial bodies similar to planets which revolve around the sun in their own elliptical orbit. Just like planets are revolving around sun, there are some other celestial bodies which are also revolving around the sun, but they are not planets. These celestial bodies are called planetoids or asteroids, and their orbit lies between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. The vocabulary, I shared the picture. These celestial bodies lie between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. There is a belt of asteroids, I told you, right? Okay. There are about 40,000 such asteroids, the largest of which is Ceres. There are altogether how many asteroids? 40,000, and the largest one is Ceres. These asteroids are believed to be fragments of the former planet which exploded after its formation. Now from where did these asteroids come? They are big stone like. It is believed that long back there was a planet and it exploded while formation. And due to this explosion, now that small stones or pieces of rocks, they became asteroids and they are revolving around the sun. Now, next one is meteoroids. Meteoroids. You must have noticed that sometimes at night a streak of light flashes across the sky and vanishes almost immediately. रात में कभी देखा स्काई में टूटता तारा हम बोलते हैं. You can just see for a fraction that some light passed through. We say tootta tara. We also, pray for some wishes. Wish मांगते हैं टूटता तारा देखते हुए. So what are they? So you may even have made a wish thinking that it is a falling star, टूटता तारा. उसे देखकर विश भी मांगी होगी आप लोगों ने, right? It is actually a burning meteoroid. It is nothing but a burning meteoroid. आपने कभी मैच स्टिक को लिया? मैच स्टिक को पहले जलाइए, फिर ऐसे फास्ट घुमाइए तो क्या होगा? जो स्टिक के ऊपर सिर्फ इतनी सी आग होती है ना, वो जब ऐसे घूमती है ना, तब आपको पूरी ऐसे लाइन दिखेगी आग की. फास्ट जब घूमती है तो, राइट? या तो एक टॉर्च लीजिए, put the torch on, and when you just move it, you will not find only one spot of light. You will find a line of light. So in same way, these are nothing but meteoroids or meteors. Meteorites are small piece of rocks which are revolving around the sun. These are also small piece of rock. They are revolving around the sun. Some of these particles enter the Earth's atmosphere with great velocity. But some meteoroids, when they enter the Earth's atmosphere, we have a blanket of air surrounding the Earth or layer of air surrounding the Earth, that is called atmosphere. When these meteoroids, they enter the atmosphere, they are with great speed. Great velocity means great speed. Due to the friction with the atmosphere, they get heated up and start glowing. Since they are rubbed together, friction, because they are at a great speed. When you strike two stones, they are at great speed. What happens? You can see a flash of light or a spark. Similarly, when these meteoroids enter the atmosphere, they are at great velocity, and what happens when they rub each other? You can see a flash of light or a light. They glow. वो glow करने लगते हैं, and they also generate heat. उसमें से heat भी निकलती है. Most meteoroids burn out. Normally, these meteoroids, because of the heat, they burn, जल जाते हैं. But some are quite large and fall on the Earth's surface, creating a hole or a crater. But कभी-कभी ये बहुत large होते हैं, इसलिए completely burn नहीं हो पाते, and they fall on the surface of the Earth, creating a crater. और उस Earth के surface पर एक गड्ढा हो जाता है, that is called crater. They are then called meteorites. they are then called meteorites, not roids. They are meteorites if they fall on the surface of the earth. The Barringer meteor crater in Arizona. The Barringer meteor crater in Arizona, that is USA, has been formed by the large meteorite. ये एक बड़ा मीटियोराइट जो अर्थ के सरफेस पर गिरा, इसकी वजह से इसका फॉर्मेशन हुआ है. नेक्स्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉमेट्स. Now, comets are glowing heavenly bodies revolving around the sun in elongated orbit. Elongated means oval-shaped orbit, not round. So these comets are also revolving around the sun. They are mostly made up of dust, ice particles and gases. किन चीजों से बने हैं? Dust, ice particle and gases. Most comets have a head, a nucleus and a tail. Comets, what do they have? They have a head, they have a nucleus and they have a tail. When they approach the sun, जब ये sun के नजदीक जाते हैं, the gases get heated up and start glowing. तब इसकी जो गैस है वो sun की हीट की वजह से हीट गर्म हो जाती है and they start glowing और ग्लो करने लगती है, चमकने लगती है. Comets may be periodical or non-periodical. ये comets जो है वो periodical मतलब टाइम टू टाइम अपीयर भी, कभी कभी नॉन पीरियोडिकल, कोई फिक्स टाइम नहीं होता है, दैट इज नॉन पीरियोडिकल. पीरियोडिकल कॉमेट कैन बी सीन एट फिक्स्ड इंटरवल. उनका एक फिक्स्ड इंटरवल होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल एवरी 5 इयर्स में एक बार ये कॉमेट दिखता है या एवरी 10 इयर्स में एक बार. सो दे आर कॉल्ड पीरियोडिकल बिकॉज दे हैव फिक्स्ड इंटरवल्स. हेलीज कॉमेट इज अ गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ पीरियोडिकल कॉमेट. This is one of the comet, Halley's comet. It is good example of periodical comet because it has a fixed interval when it is seen by the earth. It appears after every 76 years. Every 76 years में एक बार ये Halley's comet दिखता है. For example, if you see it now in 2021, exactly after 76 years, once again you will be seeing that. That is Halley's comet. It was last sighted in 1986. Last इसे कब देखा गया था? 1986 में. Can you say when will it be sighted next again? तो next कब होगा? 86 के बाद 76 years काउंट कीजिए, तब उस ईयर में ये फिर से आपको दिखेगा. नॉन पीरियोडिकल कॉमेट्स अपीयर फॉर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड एंड देन डिसअपीयर सडनली. नॉन पीरियोडिकल कॉमेट्स जो है वो शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए होते हैं एंड फिर डिसअपीयर हो जाते हैं. उनका कोई फिक्स टाइम होता नहीं है. सो ऑल दीज टॉपिक्स वी लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर. दिस इज द एंड ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. You can also find many important facts or many interesting facts, I can say, in the textbook. They have also given along with your textbook material. उसमें जो रेड पेन से लिखे हैं कुछ important information है, blue boxes में है, go through it, read them. Okay? So next session we will take up the exercise of this chapter. But before that, read this chapter carefully once again. Learn all the pronunciations and then be ready to answer the question when we discuss the exercise. Now along with this video, I am sending a PDF that is worksheet and you have to read the instructions in the worksheet and solve the worksheet as instructed. Solve the worksheet with good handwriting, no spelling mistakes. Okay? So chalo, if you have liked this video, please click on the like icon. And see you in the next session. Bye.